Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. How to Turn Passion into Profit. A coffee lover's dream. Emma always dreamed of starting her own business. She worked a regular 9 to 5, but the thought of building something on the side, something she was passionate about, kept nagging at her. One morning, while sipping her favorite Ethiopian blend at a local cafe, an idea hit her. What if I could make money by sharing my love for coffee with others, she thought. But Emma wasn't sure how to begin. She didn't have the money to open a coffee shop, and the thought of managing inventory for an online store felt overwhelming. That same afternoon, while scrolling through social media, Emma stumbled upon a post about affiliate marketing. It sounded too good to be true. Recommending products she loved, earning commissions on sales, and not having to worry about shipping or customer service. Intrigued, Emma decided to dive in and learn everything she could about affiliate marketing. Little did she know that this discovery would mark the beginning of her entrepreneurial journey. What exactly is affiliate marketing? Emma quickly found out that affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing where individuals, also known as affiliates, earn commissions by promoting other people's products. She loved how simple the idea was. You recommend something, people buy through your unique affiliate link, and you earn a percentage of the sale. It's like being a matchmaker between a buyer and a product, Emma thought. She realized the beauty of affiliate marketing. There were no upfront costs, no warehouses full of products, and no customer complaints to manage. The brand or seller handled everything on the back end. All she had to do was introduce potential buyers to products she genuinely liked and get paid for it. Finding her niche, where passion meets profit. One piece of advice Emma found everywhere was to focus on a niche. A niche is a specific area of interest, and the more focused, the better. Trying to promote random products wouldn't work. People trust recommendations from someone who knows their stuff. That's when Emma decided that her niche would revolve around specialty coffee. After all, she knew everything from grind sizes to the best brewing methods. She could spend hours talking about espresso machines, cold brewers, and pour-over kits without getting bored. More importantly, she knew other coffee lovers were always looking for ways to enhance their home coffee experience. If she could help them find the best gear, why not get paid for it? The affiliate hunt, finding the right programs. Armed with excitement, Emma started searching for affiliate programs in the coffee industry. She discovered two popular ways to find programs. 1. Affiliate networks, platforms like ClickBank, Shopify, and CJ Affiliate, where brands list their affiliate programs. 2. Direct affiliate programs, brands that run their own programs in-house, such as coffee roasters or equipment manufacturers. Emma signed up for a few programs she trusted. Her favorite roaster offered 10% commissions on every sale, and an espresso machine company promised $50 per sale. She also joined Amazon's affiliate program, which gave her access to thousands of coffee-related products. With affiliate links in hand, Emma was ready to share them, but she quickly realized that simply posting links wasn't enough. She needed a way to connect with people and offer real value, creating content that connects. Emma knew she had to find the right ways to promote these products without sounding like a salesperson. People could sniff out a hard sell from a mile away, and that's the last thing she wanted. Instead, she decided to focus on creating helpful, engaging content that answered questions coffee lovers might have. First, she started a blog called Emma's Coffee Corner. She wrote articles like The Best Espresso Machines for Beginners and How to Make Cafe-Quality Cold Brew at Home. In each post, she recommended products she had tried and loved, with her affiliate links seamlessly integrated. She didn't stop there. Emma knew people consumed content differently, so she repurposed her blog posts into short videos for social media. On TikTok, she showed her followers how to make frothy lattes using affordable milk frothers with affiliate links in the captions. On Instagram, she posted reviews of different coffee beans and tagged the roasters, including her affiliate links in the comments. Growing traffic, attracting the right audience. At first, Emma's website and social media accounts had only a few visitors. But she wasn't discouraged. Every successful affiliate marketer she followed had stressed the importance of patience. It takes time to build an audience and trust. Emma focused on creating quality content consistently, even when only a handful of people were reading her posts. To grow her traffic, Emma learned a few strategies. 1. SEO, search engine optimization. She made sure her blog posts were optimized with keywords that coffee enthusiasts were searching for, like best coffee grinder under $100. 2. Social media marketing. Emma posted on Instagram and TikTok regularly, using hashtags like #coffeelover and #homebarista to reach people interested in her niche. 3. Email marketing. She created a free coffee brewing guide and offered it to anyone who subscribed to her newsletter. Over time, her email list grew, and she began sending out regular updates with product recommendations and affiliate links. The first sale? Proof that it works. Emma knew affiliate marketing wasn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but nothing could have prepared her for the excitement of her first sale. One morning, she checked her affiliate dashboard and saw that someone had purchased an espresso machine through her link, earning her a $50 commission. It wasn't a huge amount of money, but to Emma, it meant everything. It was proof that affiliate marketing worked, and more importantly, that her efforts were paying off. That $50 wasn't just money, it represented the beginning of a business she could grow. Scaling up, the road to consistent income. With her first sale under her belt, Emma was motivated to scale her efforts. She knew that to earn consistent income, she needed more traffic and more product recommendations. So, she expanded her content strategy. She collaborated with influencers in the coffee space who shared her content with their followers. She experimented with paid ads to promote her blog posts to a wider audience. She explored creating YouTube videos, knowing that product reviews and tutorials performed well on the platform. Emma also tracked which products were performing the best. Some links generated steady clicks, but no conversions, while others had higher conversion rates. She adjusted her content strategy accordingly, focusing more on the products that resonated with her audience. Challenges along the way. The journey wasn't without challenges. Emma had to learn how to deal with technical issues, like her affiliate links not tracking properly. There were also slow months where sales dropped, making her doubt if she could make this business sustainable. But she reminded herself why she started: to share her love for coffee and earn an income doing something she enjoyed. Emma also realized the importance of staying authentic. There were times when companies reached out asking her to promote products that didn't align with her brand. Even though the commissions were tempting, Emma turned them down. She knew that trust was her most valuable asset, and recommending products she didn't believe in could hurt her reputation. The sweet taste of success. After a year of hard work, Emma's affiliate marketing business was thriving. Her blog attracted thousands of visitors each month, and her social media following had grown significantly. She was earning a steady income from her affiliate commissions, enough to cover her rent and then some. The best part? She had built a business around something she truly loved. Looking back, Emma realized that affiliate marketing wasn't just about making money. It was about connecting with people, sharing valuable insights, and helping others discover products that made their lives better. And the fact that she could earn income along the way, that was just the cherry on top. Happy marketing.